Alright, the second one is W3 Schools. You can go to w3schools.com to get to their main page, which shows you, everything that they have. Obviously, you can search more if you want to do that. But the one I was going in here for is to pretty much go to learn CSS3. And they have a big old tutorial, how-to, that goes through every one of these differences. You can learn pretty much anything that you need to do for basic CSS. Some of the intermediate and advanced functions of CSS, obviously margins is not one of those, but box models and things like that, that's pretty basic as well. So I mean, but anything that just anything, you can probably go on here and just search something, and they probably will have an answer. Everything that I've looked up anyway, I've found for it. So they do have references in here. They do have selectors that you can go in here and look. You can see colors. It shows you everything that you'll need. Shows you the property, what it does, the type of CSS it is, whether it's CSS regular or CSS3, the browser supported, which one has what. Yep. So I mean, there's a whole lot of good information on here showing you how to. You can try it yourself. You can make a change to anything here. Then we're just going to put square. See, and it makes it square. Obviously, that's right here. But just to play with it some. You can always learn more or try things that you want to, just to make sure it does what you want it to whenever you're going through it. So that way you can learn and utilize it. And then obviously once you've gotten it how you want it to, you can copy and paste it and put it into your code. And there you go. But it is always a good idea to actually write it out as well. I find that writing it out myself is a good learning tool, because then I actually have to know, the words in whatever order they are in order to get the program to do what I want it to do. So, but yeah, this is W3 Schools. There's a whole list of how to do things, whole list of different items that you can go on and you can learn yourself. CSS was one of my big problems. I just never really thought too much about making stuff look pretty. I've always been the kind of guy that just makes stuff work. So, big troubleshooter, not very much and artistic. Anyways, hopefully you found this entertaining or useful. Remember, W3 Schools is a great utility. Go ahead and have it and take a look.